Mr. West, aka Cook Free.
Yeah.
Splicing and dicing. After anything said. Yeah, splicing and dicing. That's how we deal with it. Cut up some onion, some tomato and pepper. Yeah. Deal with the flash out. Who don't know flash out? I see what you start saying, man. Yeah, man. You don't know 50 and cameraman. Let's call him, man. That's how we do it at CR3 studio. You see me?
Yeah.
Hard work. Yeah. Can't without food and hard work go together. Currency barrel. I will tell you, man. Central chance on the cooper. Hey, hi. I'm in the way again. Hey, hey. The pudding start, yeah. Right now, I'll be talking, the pudding start, yeah. Mr. West, aka Cook Free.
Then I studio, see me.
Actually, they are there, see me.
Mother Road.
Cooking a one, mice in a one, all the party.
Yeah, that's I do it. Dave. Mother Road, Mother.
Yo,
Mr. West, Mother Place.
put this fire, yo, yo. And for them, you man, whosoever you.
What you call it? You call it mackerel?
Flash out, man.
Flash out, flash out.
Reason being simple, if we not just cut it in, you still have to flash it out. Now come on, flash it out and shake it out.
Alright, no dusty girl to the thing.
Don't play me. We got to cook the food.
That's what we say. I saw the thing set at CI3. Yo, the point. What a bubble.
Yeah,
Alright.